So let's learn how to make an audio waveform in After Effects. So what you can do is open your After Effects and then start with a new composition. I would select the 1920 by 1080 29.97 fps. Any aspect ratio you prefer to use is fine. This is just what I want to use for this tutorial. So what you can do is add a new solid. So you can right click and go to new and then solid. Any color is alright. So we'll just come here to effects and presets and search for audio. So you'll see audio spectrum. You can also use waveform, but there'll be another tutorial on audio waveform. So this is just for audio spectrum, and you can just add that to your solid color layer. So you can already see that this has formed the bar. You can actually adjust these points or make them smaller if you want to, but I'll undo that. And let's import our audio. I want to use this audio, and if I play this now, so it's doing that because it's trying to render. So I want the waveform to react according to the audio. So we've already added the effect. So we are going to select the layer. So we're going to select this and select Proud Roots. That's the name of the sound. And I'm going to play it. So it's faint, so you can increase the height. So if we say maximum height, so you can increase the height, depends on how you want it. You can increase the frequency bands. If you want fewer, you can make it fewer. That's the frequency bands. And then you can also adjust the thickness if you want it to be thicker. Yeah, if you like something like this. So now if you want it to just be the up or the down, you can come to this side and say side A. If you select side A, it will only be the top. If you select side B, it's going to be just the down. So if you want both sides, you do side A and B. So if you play this now, you have. So let me move to a more aggressive part of this beat. So we are going to actually see lots of movement. So if it's trying to render, I might do that. So that's just how to make a waveform in After Effects. It's very simple, not complicated.